Hello, today I'm going to show you how to access as well as how to log into your FAFSA using your Vanguard Student Portal. First, at the top of a new tab, you're going to type in mycampus.ahub.edu. Then on the right where it says Login, you're going to click that, and then you're going to click on Student Portal homepage. Once your Vanguard Portal pulls up, we're going to focus on the left, and then we're going to go to where it says My Financial Aid. We're going to click that, and then click where it says FAFSA. Once you click FAFSA, another page should appear, and you're going to click the FAFSA that's underlined. This is a link that opens a new tab. Once we click the FAFSA link, the FAFSA main page appears. As you can see, we have two options. One, a new FAFSA, or two, we can log in as a reoccurring user. Before we proceed to sign in, please remember that the FAFSA code for University-Beebe is 001091. That is 001091. For this demonstration, I'm going to click Login as a returning user would. Once this page loads, you can see we have two options. We can either log in as a student, or we could log in as the parent. If you click Login as student, it's going to ask for your FAFSA ID and your FAFSA ID password. If you click on the Parent tab, it's going to ask for your child's first name, last name, his or her social, and then his or her date of birth. That was how to access your FAFSA using your Vanguard Student Portal, as well as how to log in. If you have any other questions, please feel free to come by the Vanguard Technical Support Center, give us a call, or send us an email. Thank you, and have a great day.